basis. The Reserve Bank remains committed to flexibility and two-sidedness in liquidity operations. But market participants must win themselves away from overhang of liquidity surpluses. As part of our gradual move towards normal liquidity operations, we have decided to restore market hours, that is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in respect of call, notice, term money, commercial paper, certificates of deposit, and repo in corporate bond segments of the economy, as well as for the rupee interest rate derivatives. The pace of transmission of monetary policy actions to lending and deposit rates has quickened in the current tightening phase. Beginning May 2022, the weighted average lending rate, that is the WLR, on fresh and outstanding rupee loans have increased by 117 and 63 basis points respectively during the period May to October. On the deposit side, the weighted average domestic term deposit rate on fresh and outstanding deposits have increased by 150 basis points and 46 basis points respectively during the same period, that is from May to October. We are keeping a close watch on this process of transmission. The appreciation of the US dollar this year, which precipitated large-scale depreciation of all major currencies, including the Indian rupee, has drawn wide attention. It is important to make an objective assessment of the movement of the Indian rupee in the context of global and domestic macroeconomic developments and financial market conditions. Through this episode of the US dollar appreciation, the Indian rupee's movements have been the least disruptive relative to the peers. In fact, the Indian rupee has appreciated against all other major currencies except a few. Cross-country comparisons of exchange rate movements are often made on inflation-adjusted basis, or what is called in real effective terms. On a financial year basis, that is from April this year to October, the Indian rupee has appreciated by 3.2% in real terms, even as several major currencies have depreciated. The story of Indian rupee has been one of India's resilience and stability. As stated by me in a recent speech, the terminal rate for the US Fed is anybody's guess. But it cannot be a case that their monetary policy will be tightened endlessly.